baby. Open your eyes. Oy. Where's your mommy? Your mommy is eating. Open your eyes. Oh, so cute. Yes, you are. Keep sleeping. So you're gonna grow fast. Okay, alright. Hi, Mama Cat. You go to your baby. Feed your baby, okay? Feed your baby. Hurry up. There's your baby. Come on, baby, right there. Okay, you already ate. Yes, you are. What are you looking for? What are you looking for? You have more babies here. That's Coconut. That's your baby. This is Marmalade. Eating a chicken soup. And they love to eat bones because they are stray cat, wild cat. And this is a Greyhound. He loves to eat. Hi, Orange. Orange. And this is Marmalade. Ooh, they're growing. And this is the mama. Mama cat. Greyhound, the healthiest cat. Here you are. And the big cat.